guys? It's the boy, the Nature Boy here. If you're looking for something, if you're scrounging around, if you're at Bass Pro Shops, Dick's Sporting Goods, or wherever you may be, and you're scrounging around, you're trying to settle at a good place where you'll find ways, and you're looking for ways to flipping jigs or just Texas rigging or just punching the grass, and you're searching for a place you haven't found anything yet, try Tungsten Weights. Check them out and see if that fits for your game, because I know I'm gonna do it for my game. And so your boy, the Nature Boy. Woo! We're going to be doing something really new that I saw on another guy's channel. He has the 6-inch fluke, the giant fluke, with a weight. He put a weight up on there, so I just put a weight in there, bullet weight, and also a giant hook, 5/0 hook, and we're going to be doing that, and also the Carolina rig with a green juicy fat boy right there on a Texas rig hook weight. And also we're gonna go wacky worm today with all black. All right, let's get it going. All right guys, we're gonna get started with the fluke, and we're gonna dig at the bottom. I'm gonna let that drop all the way to the bottom. This technique, I watched the guy on YouTube. He just basically let it drop all the way to the bottom because because of the action, because you can get a lot of action at the bottom. It's different. So saying the hit ratio is pretty high. So let that thing sink all the way to the bottom. Basically, just pop it like a fluke, at the bottom, because it can get really good action at the bottom, which is, they say is rare. So let's see. So I'm just popping it and letting it drop to the bottom. 1, 2, real subtle pops, like a dying fish. And we are back, I almost forgot, at the Duke Energy Explorium. And we are doing some fishing at the good old Duke. All right, let me make sure this bad boy ain't slipping out. Get this a couple more runs. I wonder if anybody's in the shallow. Checking the shallow. All right. up out of here today. We can pop. Come on, buddy boy. Roll the dice. Knocking at the door. If anybody's home. All right. One more cast with this boy. We're gonna switch it up. Check, see if we're at the bottom. Here we are. Start to pop it. Expecting that big old monster to pop it. Expecting the monster. All right, let me swim her on in. That's a giant fluke. Let me get into the goodie bag right quick. Now what I'm using, I bought these at Dick's Sporting Goods. It's the 7 Mag Super Fluke Arkansas Shiner. Cool. We're gonna go to the Carolina rig. And I like to move my baits when I'm using a tactic or different things. I like to go with the most likely or my favorite thing I know I can catch fish with, and then I kind of go up like things I know I can kind of fish with, or just experimental sometimes stuff, and I gradually go up to things I can most likely catch fish on. And so we are going to pop the Carolina rig. And we're gonna see what we can do on the Carolina. Now I watched Roland Martin talk about the Carolina rig. How I would normally think in my head to do it is pop it, but with this you just, slow reel it in. You just reel that bad boy in slowly. Just do a slow reel. The Carolina is very different from fishing how I would normally fish this. Usually I'm used to, if I'm using a Texas rig, I'm popping it or, jerking it and stuff. but not so with this type of lure. You just reel it in like you're doing a swim bait. Letting that simmer sauce to the bottom and see what fish is in the area. Just reel that bad boy in. Very different from what I'm used to fishing, the fishing style I'm used to fishing with. Very different. It's a real slow reel. So you want to chop down the big, juicy, If anybody wants something real subtle. Ah, my weight. Drop down. Couldn't take the pressure. Let me lock this bad boy in so it won't keep moving on me. Alright, let me try a different area. See what we can juice out of this bad boy. So we can juice out of here. Alright. Let me get one more heave-ho with the Carolina. And that was a heave-ho. Let me reel that back in. I did not get what I wanted to get out of that cast. It was not a good cast. There we go. Now that's a cast. Get that at the bottom. Just dragging it at the bottom. what we can pop out here today. All right, that's it for the Carolina for now. Next up is the wacky worm. Throwing the wacky. Alrighty. On the color that I've caught a lot of fish on the black. So let's go wacky. See, this worm wants some wacky going on. See what we can do. Just letting this drop to the bottom and just give it some pops. Let it sit a little bit. Give it some pops. See what we can pull out on a basic bait. Is the worm. Alrighty, let's switcheroo a little deeper. Alrighty. Let's see. We can get going. Up on the wacky. We can get rolling. All right, let me try one more spot. A little bit more calmer water. And move over this way. Frigid cold. Let's see. Because I want to get some sinkage. I don't want to be drifting a lot. Let me check. All right. Let's see. Let's see. We can pull out of here. On the whack. See if we can break that PB, personal best, on a wacky worm. Hey, what's up, fishing freaks? Today was just a lot of hits, but I did get a 1 pounder and some change, and learning different baits, how they move, especially the Carolina rig. Got hits off of that, and today was really good, and just a really good learning experience. And I guess I'll see you guys next time at Tactical Fishing. So remember, keep it popping.